Hi everyone, and today we're diving into a super convenient solution for those who travel a lot or just want to stay connected worldwide, EIOTCLUB's eSIM. In this video, I'll go over the key features, show you how to set up the eSIM through their app, and explain why this product deserves your attention. Let's get started. Introduction. First off, let's talk about what an eSIM is. It's an electronic SIM card that allows you to connect to mobile networks without needing a physical SIM card. This is especially useful if you have a newer smartphone without a SIM tray, or if you just want to avoid the hassle of swapping out SIM cards every time you change countries. But what makes EIOTCLUB's solution stand out? Easy installation and use. One of the best things about EIOTCLUB's eSIM is how easy it is to set up. You don't need to visit a carrier's office or wait for a SIM card to arrive in the mail. Just download the EIOTCLUB app, scan the QR code, and you're good to go. Your eSIM is activated on your device in just a few minutes. This quick setup saves you time and spares you from unnecessary hassle. EIOTCLUB's eSIM works with any unlocked device that supports eSIM, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or even some smartwatches. So if you have a device like an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, or Google Pixel, you're all set to use this product without any issues. Global connectivity without borders. Now let's talk about what really matters. Global connectivity. EIOTCLUB's eSIM gives you access to high-speed internet in over 200 countries and regions around the world. Imagine traveling across Europe, then heading to the US or Asia, and not having to switch SIM cards or look for a local carrier. With EIOTCLUB's eSIM, you have one card that works everywhere. What's more, this eSIM supports a variety of international data plans, allowing you to easily choose a plan right in the app based on where you are and how much data you need. It's a hassle-free way to avoid hidden fees or surprise charges for roaming. Connecting and setting up with the app. Now let me show you how it all works in practice. Open up the EIOTCLUB app, go to the data plan section, and choose the plan that suits you best. For example, if you're in Europe, there's a plan with good speed and enough data for browsing the web, making video calls, and even streaming. The app lists all available plans, and you can top up your balance in just a few clicks. This is incredibly convenient, especially if you suddenly need more data while traveling. Instead of searching for the nearest carrier store, you can simply recharge through the app and keep using the internet. Saving on roaming fees. How many times have you faced high roaming charges when traveling abroad? With EIOTCLUB's eSIM, that problem is a thing of the past. Thanks to flexible international data plans, you only pay for the data you actually need without overpaying for unnecessary services. Plus, you'll always know how much data you have left, so you can recharge before running out. This is especially handy if you love spending time on social media, watching YouTube, or making video calls with family and friends. Security and convenient hotspot sharing. Another great feature is the ability to use the eSIM as a hotspot. You can share your internet connection with other devices by creating a personal Wi-Fi hotspot, so you don't have to rely on insecure public networks. This is especially important if you work remotely and need stable and secure internet wherever you are. High-speed internet and 5G support. And of course, we have to mention speed. EIOTCLUB's eSIM supports 5G, which means you'll get the fastest download and upload speeds wherever 5G is available. Even if you're using 4G, the connection quality remains top-notch. This makes it perfect for streaming videos, downloading large files, and gaming without lag. Why choose EIOTCLUB? Let's sum it up. If you want to easily manage your internet access in different countries, avoid paying extra for roaming, and enjoy fast, reliable internet, then EIOTCLUB's eSIM is the perfect choice for you. Easy installation and activation through a QR code, global connectivity in over 200 countries, convenient data plan management through the app, ability to use your device as a hotspot, high-speed 5G internet with no limits. If you want to learn more and try out EIOTCLUB's eSIM, click the link in the description. And if you've already used this eSIM, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you next time.